Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. Sustainable bamboo organizers are taking over our homes, but here's why. For example, this one by RMR Home just takes a mess like this and makes it look so nice and organized. For all the cooking that we have to do, it's wonderful to be able to find exactly what you need. The organizer goes from 13.5 inches to 20, so you have plenty of room to store and organize and make your drawer not look like a hot mess, but look nice and organized. I have room for everything. I do a lot of baking and cooking, so I need the utensils readily handy. It is water resistant, antibacterial, very easy to clean up. You can give it a little wipe, but usually for spices or whatever falls in there, a quick shake cleans it because of the smooth texture. It is 2 inches deep, so it should be able to fit almost any drawer size. You have so many options with this. Leave it as is at the 13 inches, or expand one section, or both. For the full width of 20 inches. This is natural, expandable, organized, just what I needed. So if you're also in need of a wonderful organizer with plenty of space, if you're looking for a perfect way to organize your utensil drawer, I'm sure you'll love it like I do. That's my point of view.